Sprouts. Sprouts contains an unusual high content of living enzymes. These enzymes further help in boosting your metabolic process and improve chemical reactions within the body, especially when it comes to digestion. Enzymes help break down the food effectively and enhance the absorption of nutrients by the digestive tract. Sprouts also have a lot of dietary fiber which regulates digestion. Basically, fiber bulks up the stool, making it easier to pass through the digestive tract. Sprouts help in boosting your blood circulation by maintaining your red blood cells count with significant amounts of iron and copper. This further helps in supplying oxygen to various organs and cells to optimize their performance. Sprouts tends to repair capillaries to get strong and thick hair too. A healthy blood supply is a good stimulant for hair growth. It helps generate new blood vessels and increases circulation to the scalp and follicles. Sprouts are one of the best food to help lose weight. They are high in nutrients but have negligible calories, which means that you can consume sprouts without worrying about the weighing scale. Furthermore, sprouts contain a high amount of fiber and makes you feel full for a long period of time. Sprouts have a high vitamin C content that makes it a powerful stimulant for the white blood cells in the body to fight off infections and diseases and thus building your immunity system. It also has abundant vitamin A. Vitamin A has number of antioxidant properties that makes a great source of immunity system strength. Vitamin A has been associated with the improvement in vision health due to the presence of vitamin A. Sprouts also help in improving your vision and eyesight. They also have antioxidant agents to protect the cells of the eye from free radicals. So load up on more sprouts to ensure seeing a bright world out there. Sprouts have omega 3 fatty acids which help in boosting good cholesterol levels and reduce the amount of harmful cholesterol in your blood vessels and arteries. Omega 3 fatty acids have anti inflammatory properties that help in reducing the excessive stress on your cardiovascular system. The presence of potassium helps to reduce blood pressure levels, further reducing the risk of any cardiovascular problem. Sprouts are alkalizing to the body. They help regulate and maintain the pH levels of your body by reducing the levels of acids. It is known that many illnesses include cancer are associated with excess acidity in the body. Include sprouts in your salads to ensure less acidity from citrus fruits. Sprouts are said to have abundance of high active antioxidants that helps prevents premature aging. It is known to prevent the DNA destruction that is also cause of aging. Moreover, the antioxidants present in the sprouts help combat cells damaging free radicals that can cause premature aging. So, eat more sprouts and include them in your daily diet. Now, let us start the process of making the sprouts. Take a clean bowl at morning 11 a.m. and take a cup of mung bean and pour it in the clean bowl and mix 3 cups of water in it. Mix it well. Now all the beans are dipped in the water. Close with the help of lid and again open the lid at night 8 o'clock. If we notice here, all mung beans are soaked well. See, all beans are soaked well. Now we have to clean this. Mix all well once again and remove the water. Add fresh water. Mix it well once again. Remove the water again. Now we have to close with the lid. Not like this. We have to keep like this. Next day morning, if we open this, see, beans are sprouted. Mung beans are sprouted well. See? Now the sprouts are ready to eat. See how easier we prepared sprouts. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and like, share to your family members and friends. Thank you for watching this video. Let's meet in the next video. Until then, bye bye.